Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dilip. In my day before yesterday's video, I was speaking about there is a good possibility Nifty might go for 23,325 levels, and there is a possibility it might even go for 380 levels. So what happened in Nifty today and yesterday is that yesterday prices have opened inside day before yesterday value area, but then immediately the first 30 minutes itself is a open test drive. It covered the almost all the value area as I said in the video, and it is getting exactly rejected at the ledge area. This indicated there is a weak buyer here, so sellers were strong, and as the prices comes down it will find more number of buyers and then the prices will go up to test the ledge area. That's what happened today prices opens inside the value area of yesterday, and then it started going down. As the price is going down, the thing is again it formed a strong ledge area at 23,320 levels. This along with in the first 1 hour the price is closing above the volume clusters. All these things indicated there is a strong possibility of reversal, which I have been cautioning in the Telegram group strongly, and prices reversed in the third candle itself with a failed auction, and it made a 23,380 levels as I was speaking day before yesterday, and then prices started coming down. Now again, why the prices have exactly stopped around this? The reason is again there is a rally high here. So these rally highs, they act as a very good support and resistances. For Monday, what you should be looking is, if you look at today, the value area itself is totally engulfing the previous yesterday's value area, and the price itself is closing below the value area, indicating some initiative sellers are there. Along with this, there was a poor seller around the lows today. Along with this poor seller, there is a poor seller around these 23,020 levels. So it's almost confirmed it will come down to this level, 23,000 levels. So the market itself is, as the prices goes up, look for selling opportunities. So this is with Nifty, guys. And coming to Bank Nifty, day before yesterday I was speaking about there is a good possibility 49,200 might get tested. At the same time, I was also referring Wednesday low itself is not that strong. Normally in market profile, lows should have a great excess that wasn't seen on Wednesday. So that indicated prices will likely rotate. One more thing I was referring is Bank Nifty itself is within the multi-day balance. At the same time, I was also mentioning on daily time frame, Bank Nifty has got accepted inside previous supply area, and the previous supply area lows is somewhere around 47,000 to 47,500 levels. So it's just a matter of time before it gets hit. So some kind of strong negative event has to be there for this down move, because there is a strong volatility around this area. 47,000 and 46,500 is also possible, but you need to be very careful, because this is where election day fall was there, and that strong fall itself has been stopped around this area. So for any kind of longs on Monday, there is a good acceptance on Wednesday inside Tuesday value area. There is a good acceptance yesterday. There is a good acceptance today. So because of all these reasons, there is a possibility if it gets accepted above 48,500 levels, it will go for 48,700 and 49,000 second target. Third target will be 49,200 levels. It depends on the overall global market. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. If you are keen on learning order flow market profile, go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.